Hey guys, Luke here with TFBTV. We're back here at NRAAM 2024. I'm here with Jess from Colt, and we're here to talk about a couple new revolvers they've just released.
Hey everyone, so we're in the great state of Texas, and just yesterday we released the new Colt Viper, or really we've had the Viper before.
Right.
And we've done some modifications to it. So if you're familiar with the original Viper, it was very lightweight, but it did have that half lug design, which you're able to see here as well. So we launched the new Viper, the Colt Viper, in a 4 1/4 inch barrel and a 3 inch barrel. It's great for concealed carry, holstering. That half lug gives you a sleek look, a little bit lighter weight as well.
Can you explain to me what a half lug is?
So the half lug, as you can see, is a half lug below the barrel. On some of our other revolver platforms,
it goes all the way to the end of the barrel.
Correct.
Gotcha.
Yep, and so the new Viper is chambered for .357 Magnum, accommodates .38 as well, 6-round cylinder, and this is our stainless steel construction. Forged stainless steel, one-piece barrel construction with a recessed target crown. So very smooth, robust action, a U-notch, and just a black ram front sight. Again, concealability, quick reflexes, a great all-around revolver for us this year.
Is there going to be any options for alternative grips?
Ultimately, they are compatible with our King Cobra and Cobra grips.
Okay.
These are a very classic throwback to the original Viper. Very sleek, modern American walnut. Fits great, again, for concealability. But there's aftermarket options out there, and I'm sure you'll probably see line extensions from us.
Right, and these two are available now?
Yep, so you'll probably see them in store in about a month or so.
Okay.
But we're ramping up.
And about how much is one of those going to set me back?
The MSRP on these is $9.99, and that's usually where you'll see them about retailing for.
Cool. All right, and then on to the bear-themed guns over here. We've got the Kodiak and the Grizzly,
So
right?
slight departure from the Snake series. We've got the Colt Kodiak and the Colt Grizzly. So these are based on our Anaconda and Python frames.
Okay.
So again, that stainless steel forged construction, one-piece barrel. You'll see some minor differences from the original Anaconda and Python are the ported barrel, which we're seeing a great reduction in muzzle lift. So that gives you quick, faster follow-up shots in a defensive scenario. So they're a great backcountry option.
Okay.
You also have an unfluted cylinder, so that gives you a little bit more weight, again, to mitigate the
Yeah, a bit more
recoil.
heft.
Correct.
Yeah, these are not slimmed down for carry.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
You know, they're a chest rig. They're something backcountry in a defensive scenario, a hunting scenario as
Gotcha.
well. And the Anaconda, or the Colt Kodiak in this position, is actually a .44 Magnum, and the Grizzly is a .357 Magnum.
And then these, you have these with target sights and then high-vis front sights. Do you guys have any options for like night sights?
Just these two models for now. So they're both 4 1/4 inch with our red ramp front sight and the target adjustable rear, which are compatible with any Python or Anaconda sights out there. And everything in the action is just that you've seen in the Anacondas and Python. So it's got that linear leaf spring action, a smooth, crisp trigger, and again, all those grips, same as we talked about in the Viper, are
Right.
interchangeable with aftermarket
So
grips, too.
classic Colt feeling, just a little bit updated, right?
Yep, correct, yeah.
Awesome. And then I hear you also have an update to the very popular Python line, right?
We do. So we now have an 8-inch Python barrel, and that's available in our semi-bright finish, which you're used to seeing, as well as a matte finish, so a more rugged platform.
Thanks, Jess, for showing us the new revolvers. And guys, thanks for tuning in to TFBTV Showtime. Stay tuned for more from NRAAM 2024.